Hello guys, welcome to a YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So in previous video we learned how to installation of Python and Anaconda. So in this video we will check that if we have properly installed or not. I told you there will be some problems if you do not tick add to path in both the installations. Uh, Not as such problems, but in for checking purposes you have to do it. So for checking of Python, you just open command prompt and write Python. This is the proof that it's working. We'll just check it out by writing a simple code print hello world and enter. This is working. So it's a kind of proof that your Python is successfully installed. You can exit it by just writing exit and bracket exit. Yeah, it's now simple command prompt. And so check Anaconda. You must have started it and gone through it or okay anything. And I told you in previous video that we will be using Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda. So it's very simple to open Jupyter Notebook. You just have to open command prompt, type Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Notebook. It will automatically start the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda. This is how a Jupyter Notebook looks. These are the files. If you want to write code, if you want to start writing code, you can choose any folder, or you can just open new Python 3. You can just open a folder, and in that folder you can open Python 3, which is a uh, IDE for writing Python. Just like that, I have this untitled folder. You can see that tick. I can open it. It's my Python notebook dot ipynb is a look or a proof that it's a Python notebook. It's just like MP4 or .txt. For Python notebook, it's .ipynb. Yeah, we double click it and open. No, no, sorry, single click it and open it. This is my previous code, so no need to worry. We will teach you all this. This is just I'm telling you how to use it and open it. So okay, so in next video we'll start learning Python.